Welcome back to Cause Health Hub, where we dive deep into natural remedies and wellness tips that can make a real difference in your life. Today we are exploring a drink that's as powerful as it is comforting, cinnamon tea. We all know cinnamon as a popular spice in our kitchen, but did you know that it holds some incredible health benefits, especially when brewed as tea? And to show you just how impactful it can be, I am sharing the story of Gina, who transformed her health with cinnamon tea. Gina, a 45-year-old working mother of two, struggled with chronic inflammation and unpredictable blood sugar spikes. Despite trying various treatments and lifestyle changes, nothing seemed to stick. One day she stumbled upon a video like this one and decided to give cinnamon tea a try. Gina made it a point to drink cinnamon tea daily. After just a month, she noticed significant improvements. Her joint pain eased, her energy levels were more stable, and she even reported better digestion. Now let's break down why Gina experienced these benefits, starting with one of cinnamon tea's most well-known advantages: anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, which is known to help reduce inflammation. Studies show that this compound can help people who deal with chronic inflammatory conditions like Gina did find relief. But the benefits don't stop there. Cinnamon tea is also great for heart health. Regular consumption may help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol, and boost HDL cholesterol. In fact, research indicates that these changes contribute to a reduced risk of heart disease. Let's go back to Gina's story. She also had challenges with her blood sugar levels. Here's why cinnamon tea's ability to support blood sugar management came into play. Numerous case studies and medical reviews support this benefit. Next up, improved digestion. Gina noticed that bloating and discomfort became rare after she started drinking cinnamon tea. That's because cinnamon promotes the production of digestive enzymes, helping with smoother digestion and reducing gas. And if you are worried about seasonal colds or flu, cinnamon tea has your back. Its antimicrobial properties can help ward off infections and even soothe symptoms like a sore throat or congestion. Gina's story does not end there. Within 3 months, she shared that not only had she become a believer in cinnamon tea, but she also introduced it to her family. They now enjoy it together as a comforting ritual that supports their health. So how can you try this at home? Here's a simple recipe. Take 1 cinnamon stick or a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and steep it in a cup of boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Add honey or lemon for extra flavor and benefits. Have you tried cinnamon tea? Share your experience in the comments below and let us know how it has impacted your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more natural remedies and wellness tips and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.